This online Etsy store makes over $12,500 every month by selling digital products. In this video, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process of selling digital products online to get similar results. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create, list, and sell digital products, whether you're starting from scratch or already have an idea. If you want an even deeper, more detailed blueprint with expert advice on how to sell your digital products to hundreds of thousands of people, click the link in the description. This will give you access to all the information you'll ever need, masterclasses, and advice from successful sellers who are making at least 6 figures a year from their digital products. First things first, why sell digital products? They're scalable, cost almost nothing to produce once they're created, and you don't have to deal with inventory, shipping, or storage. This makes them an amazing option for passive income. You create a product once, upload it, and sell it over and over again. Today, we'll focus on making a digital budget planner as an example, while also exploring other product ideas like ebooks, templates, and courses. I'll show you everything: choosing a product, designing it, setting up a store, and marketing it. Step 1. Choose your digital product. The key is to pick something that people want and will pay for. A budget planner is perfect because everyone wants to save money and stay organized. But if that's not your thing, you could create social media templates for small business owners, stock photos for creators, or even an online course on a topic you know well. Think about what you're interested in and which digital products you would buy. Having a genuine interest will help you a lot during this process. Here's how I brainstorm ideas for products. Open up Google and type in best-selling digital products on Etsy or popular digital downloads. Write down what catches your eye. Next, go to Etsy, Pinterest, or Amazon and type in specific ideas like digital planner or ebook. Look at the top results. These are usually bestsellers, which means there's demand. Pay attention to what's included and what customers like. For example, when I searched printable budget planner, I found people selling bundles with multiple branded spreadsheets and resources. Once you've settled on a product idea, it's time to validate it. You don't want to create something no one wants to buy. Here's how to do that. Search for your product idea on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Look at the number of reviews and how often similar products sell. If people are buying, that's your green light. For our budget planner, I see a lot of successful listings with hundreds of reviews. That tells me it's a proven market. Step 2. Create the digital product. Don't worry if you're not a designer. For a budget planner, we'll use Canva, which is free and user-friendly. Here's exactly what I do. Open Canva and create an account if you don't have one. Click Create a Design, then choose US Letter for a standard 8.5 by 11-inch size. This is great for printables. Now think about what people need in a budget planner. Some ideas I can think of are monthly budget sheets, expense trackers, savings goals pages, and debt payoff charts. Start with one page at a time. Use Canva's built-in elements to add tables, text, and graphics. For example, for the monthly budget sheet, I drag a table onto the page and label columns like income, expenses, and savings. Make it look good with clean fonts and a few attractive colors. If you want inspiration, search budget planner templates on Canva. You can edit something like this directly or use it as inspiration. You don't have to copy this, but you can see what layouts work and add your unique touch. Canva also lets you save your project as a PDF, which is the format we'll sell. Click Download, choose PDF Standard, and save it to your computer. What if your product isn't a planner? No problem. If you're creating templates, Canva still works great. For an ebook, you can use Google Docs or Microsoft Word and format it professionally. For an online course, platforms like Teachable or Thinkific guide you through the setup. The key is to use tools that make the process simple. Step 3. Create a mockup. A mockup is like a product preview that makes your digital product look polished and professional. For our budget planner, I'll use Placeit. Go to placeit.net and search for Planner Mockup. You'll see options like a printed version of your digital product on a desk or on someone's lap. Pick the image, then click on Edit and add an image of the cover or a page of your product. Adjust it as you need to and download the image. Now you have a realistic product image to use in your store, which will be super important when it comes to actually listing and selling your product. Step 4. Name your product. This part is so important because your title needs to grab attention and include keywords. Instead of budget planner, we can say something like Ultimate Budget Planner Bundle to Save More Money in 2025. This title is clear, descriptive, and optimized for search engines. Always include the main benefit and keywords people might type into Etsy or Google. Step 5. Set up your store. If you're just starting, Etsy is a great choice because it has built-in traffic. Go to Etsy, create a seller account, and click Open Your Shop. Choose a shop name. Something simple and memorable works well. For our example shop that focuses on finance, we could call it Smart Finance Studio. Etsy will guide you to add your first listing. Upload your product images and mockups, and write a description that explains the benefits. For example, this budget planner helps you take control of your finances with easy-to-use templates for monthly budgeting, savings tracking, and more. Perfect for busy professionals and families. Add tags like budget planner, printable planner, and personal finance. Now set your price. Look at similar products to gauge the market. If most planners are $5, price yours competitively, maybe at $3. Etsy will also ask for a digital file. Upload your digital product as a PDF, and you're done with the listing. If you want more control, and if you don't want to pay Etsy fees, think about setting up your own Shopify store. It's not free for the premium features, but it's great for building a brand. On Shopify, you'll need to create an account, choose a theme for your store, and customize it. Add your product, upload images, and write a description, just like we did on Etsy. You can buy and use your own custom domain, which makes your store feel much more professional and real. Step 6. Sell, sell, sell. Once your store is live, you need traffic. Start by promoting your product on social media. Create an Instagram account and post about your budget planner. Share mockups, screenshots of the pages, and videos showing how to use it. Use hashtags like #budget planner or #save money tips. Pinterest is also great for digital products. Create pins that link directly to your store. For example, make a pin that says, "Download this budget planner to save more money," with an image of the planner. You can use Canva to easily create tons of pins too. Don't forget about SEO. Optimize your Etsy listing and social media profiles with keywords people search for. For our budget planner, use phrases like budgeting tool, expense tracker, and savings planner. If you have a budget, invest in ads. Etsy has built-in advertising to boost your product in search results. Start with $1 to $5 a day and track the results. Social media ads on Facebook or Instagram can also drive traffic. Use a video or carousel ad showing off your planner as the ad creative. Getting your first sale is exciting, but it's just the beginning. Respond to customer reviews, update your product if you need to, and keep experimenting with marketing strategies. Over time, you can grow your store with more products, like a financial goal tracker or a debt snowball calculator in our example. From brainstorming ideas to getting your first sale, I've shown you everything you need to start making passive income. Now it's your turn. If you have any questions about how to sell and create digital products, or if you want to learn more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free Wealthy Club school community. Inside, we share exclusive tips and updates on making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's completely free, and you'll be surrounded by people who are also making money online like you, so check that out. Which digital product are you thinking of creating and selling? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.